Hello children. Today we will start with the chapter How do organisms reproduce, or simply reproduction. Now, what do we mean by reproduction? Reproduction, it is a process by which living organisms produce individuals of their own kind. Reproduction is a process by which the living organisms produce individuals of their own kind. ओन काइंड मतलब अपने जैसे और इंडिविजुअल्स बनाना इज कॉल्ड रिप्रोडक्शन. नाउ what is the need of reproduction? Because reproduction is not necessary for survival of an individual, like the life processes, nutrition, respiration, excretion, control and coordination, transportation. All these processes, they are necessary for the survival of an individual. Without any of these, an individual cannot survive. But without reproducing, an individual can survive. Secondly, reproduction consumes a lot of energy. So, it is energy utilizing process. तो reproduction की need क्या है? What is the need for reproduction? The need is that reproduction leads to the formation of, it leads to increase in number of individuals of same species. अगर किसी स्पीशीज में एक ही इंडिविजुअल होगा तो दैट विल गो अननोटिस्ड. सो इफ देयर आर मोर इंडिविजुअल्स ऑफ सेम काइंड, एक से बहुत सारे इंडिविजुअल्स हमको दिखते हैं तो हमें वो स्पीशीज नोटिस में आती है. सो रिप्रोडक्शन हेल्प्स इन इंक्रीजिंग द नंबर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स ऑफ सेम स्पीशीज एंड देन इट इज नोटिस्ड बाय the different other individuals. Now, types of reproduction. Reproduction is of two types. One is asexual reproduction and another is sexual reproduction. Let us see. In asexual reproduction, single parent is involved, or we can say it is uniparental. Asexual reproduction is uniparental. One individual is able to produce the new copies of same species. Means one parent is required, or we can say asexual reproduction is uniparental. That is, single parent is involved. And all the individuals produced in asexual reproduction, they are exact carbon copies of their parents, or we can say they are genetically similar to the parents. उनमें और parents में, जो नए individuals बने और parents में कोई भी difference नहीं है. They are exact carbon copies of their parents, and such individuals which are genetically similar, these are called clones. In asexual reproduction, there takes place only one type of cell division, that is mitosis. There are two types of cell divisions. One is mitosis, one is meiosis. So in asexual reproduction, कौन सी cell division होती है? It takes place only by mitosis. In mitosis, one parent cell divides into two daughter cells with same number of chromosomes. We will explain now कि one parent cell divides to form two daughter cells. In mitosis, one parent cell divides to form two daughter cells with same number of chromosomes. For example, in human beings, there are present in each cell there are 46 chromosome. तो एक सेल अगर डिवाइड करेगा दो सेल में तो इनमें भी कितने क्रोमोसोम होंगे? 46. Such type of cell division is called mitosis. Sexual reproduction is biparental, means two parents are involved in sexual reproduction and the individuals produced, they are not genetically similar to their parents. कुछ कैरेक्टर्स उनके पेरेंट्स से मिलते हैं बट उनके बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स, न्यू इंडिविजुअल्स के बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो पेरेंट्स से डिफरेंट होते हैं. एंड दीज डिफरेंसेस, these different characters of parents and the individuals, these are called variations. In sexual reproduction, two types of cell divisions are involved, that is mitosis and meiosis. Meiosis is a type of cell division in which one parent cell divides to form 4 daughter cells but with half the number of chromosome. एक पेरेंट सेल कितने सेल्स में डिवाइड होगा? 4 डॉटर सेल्स में. लेकिन एक साथ एक ही बारी में पहले वो एक सेल 4 में डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता. पहले द पेरेंट सेल विल डिवाइड इनटू 2 and then these two will divide into further 2 daughter cells each. तो कितने बन गए? 4 daughter cells. So we can say meiosis is a type of cell division in which one parent cell divides to form 4 daughter cells but with half the number of chromosomes. जैसे यहाँ कितने थे? 46 थे सपोज, तो कितने बनेंगे? half of the 46 is 23. The daughter cells formed are having how many? 23. That is half of the chromosomes of parental cell. And sexual reproduction has got two basic aspects. दो चीज़ों का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है इन sexual reproduction में. What is this? That is formation of gamete. Gamete means sex cell. And second is the fusion of gamete. These two will discuss in the sexual reproduction. Now, let us begin with the asexual reproduction.